In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix the r5apex application error in Apex Legends. So make sure that you watch this video till the end if you want to know how to fix it. Before we start, I just want to say subscribe to my channel and like this video if it helps. And let's start. So the first step is to open this PC. Open the disk where you have Apex Legends installed at, so mine is at C. Open program files x86. Open Origin Games. Open the Apex folder. Now scroll to the bottom and find r5apex. Right click on it. Open the properties. Go to the compatibility tab. And now what you want to do is check the run this program in compatibility mode 4 box. Check the disable full screen optimizations box. And check the run this program as an administrator box. Once you do all of that, just click on apply, click on OK, and you can now open the easy anti-cheat folder, which is the second step of this video. And once you open this folder, what you want to do is open the easy anti-cheat setup. Click on yes, and click on repair service. This should take just a couple of seconds, and there it is. It says installed successfully. Now just click on finish, and you can close the easy anti-cheat folder. The third step is to open Origin, go to My Game Library, right click on Apex Legends, and click on Repair. This will re-download any missing files from Apex Legends on your PC or re-download any corrupted or deleted files. Once this is done, your game should be fixed. And you can now close the Origin launcher. And the fourth step is to click on the taskbar, open the task manager, and just close any application that has an overlay over Apex Legends. So for example, Steam, Origin, Discord, etc. Once you do all of that, go to the startup tab and disable any application that you don't need when your PC starts up. So you don't need the torrent, you don't need your antivirus, the Java update scheduler or Spotify or something like that. So just disable all of them. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel and like this video if it helps. Bye.